Hello guys, nice to see you again. Thank you for follow our new product, Stra-X 3D Handheld laser scanner on Kickstarter. And now today I will show you our Stra-X performance. Some followers want us to scan a car part. So I take a car part. This is a door from Porsche Macan. The skill to scan the big object use Stra-X. And the key point is you can scan the mark first and scan the data second. Okay, like this, you change to mark model, scan the mark. Another point is don't scan from one side to another side backwards, from center to full core. This is a skill to keep the actual size. Okay, now we finished the scan mark and now we can scan the data. We need a little time to find the trend and now we finish scanning the store.